In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an email address to Zelle in your Chase account. This quick walkthrough works whether you're using the Chase mobile app or signing in through Chase online banking on your computer. By the end, you'll have an email connected to Zelle, so friends, family, or clients can send you money directly and securely. Start by opening the Chase app on your phone or go to the Chase website and sign in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for Pay and Transfer. Tap it and then select Zelle. This takes you into the Zelle hub inside Chase, where you manage your contacts, emails, phone numbers, and transfers. Next, head to Settings. Depending on your screen, it may appear as Settings or Manage Emails. Inside that section, choose Add Email Address. You'll see a simple field where you can type the email you want to link to Zelle. Make sure it's an email you can check right away, and double check for typos. This is the address people can use to send you Zelle payments. After you submit the email, go to your inbox. Chase will send a one-time verification code to confirm you own that address. Keep the app open, switch to your email, and look for a message from Chase. If it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and peek in spam or junk just in case. When you find the code, copy it or memorize it. Return to the Chase app or the website, enter the verification code exactly as it appears, and tap Verify. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the email was added successfully. That's your green light that everything worked. Your new email address is now linked to Zelle through Chase and ready to receive payments. Share only the email you've chosen with people you trust, and remind them to use Zelle within their bank app for the fastest delivery. If anything looks off, follow the on-screen prompts in Chase for next steps. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.